Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview. Tuesday, March 31st, the end of our trading month 2015. Traders, great to be with you on another trading day. Coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand with bright blue sunny skies, a little bit of clouds, hot white sandy beaches. Absolutely beautiful today. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, if you would, come visit us at fxclearing.com for your trading solutions. Traders, we're going to go over some news and 6 currency pairs with analysis and trade plans. However, first, if you would, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator for the market opening preview series every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in the year of 2006. 2008, I retired from a wonderful 27-year career in the Public Safety Department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, 9 days later, came on a 3-month holiday to Thailand. And well, traders, it's 2015, and guess what? I'm still in Thailand, and I'm loving it. It's a great place to trade. The time zone is great. I can trade all 3 sessions, only up to about noon for the New York session, and still get a good night's sleep. Absolutely wonderful. Traders, I do trade the Forex market every single day. I'm in the markets. I'm looking for opportunities and probabilities on my side to be successful in my trades. As we know, we cannot win every trade, but I like to win most trades. Makes me feel good. Keeps me smiling. All right, traders, let's get the legal stuff out of the way. This is the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Most of all, traders, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Please have your money management system in place before you start trading on a live account. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. That's our risk disclaimer. You might want to take a photo-shot of that and study it and realize that every time you click that button, you're taking a risk. Well, let's talk about news, and let's look at the indices and how things closed yesterday. The Dow was up 1.49%. The S&P 500 was up 1.22%. The NASDAQ was up 1.15%, with the Russell 2000 up 1.40%. All green in the indices in the New York markets. Let's head on over to the Eurozone, with the DAX was positive 1.83%. The FTSE 100 was positive 0.53%. And the CAC 40 was positive 0.98%. The Eurostoxx 50 also positive 1.33%. Absolutely wonderful. Okay, let's take a look at Asia. These countries are currently trading now. The Nikkei 225 is up 0.35%, with the S&P ASX 200 out of Australia is positive 1.23%. The Shanghai is positive 0.81%. And the Hang Seng is positive 0.36%. And ending this with the Kospi is up 0.36%. Okay, traders, we have quite a busy trading day as far as news events. So let's review that. New Zealand had some news in Asia. They had ANZ business confidence. There was no forecast, but the number did come out better than previous at 35.8. I did not see any reaction in the market from that data. In the London session, we have the Great British Pound has current account coming out, and that's a high-impact news event. Also, the Euro has CPI flash estimate year-on-year. Then as we move down towards the New York session, the CAD has GDP month-on-month, and the U.S. has CB consumer confidence. So quite a full day for news high-impact data. Looks like we have something in every session. So please keep an eye on that through your trading day. Keep your economic calendar handy. All right, commentary is markets moved late yesterday. If you were at the London Open, you saw that the dollar pairs, the majority of the dollar pairs moved like 40 to 50 pips right out of the gate with dollar strength. And what I read and what I heard was that was basically just stop hunting. That's what Trade the News said. It was stop hunting. So They're smarter than I am, and I'll take them on their word that it was stop hunting. But towards London lunch and into the New York session, things started to level out, and trade plans came together late in the day, late in my day, as it's early in the morning for me in Thailand, as we're 11 hours ahead of Eastern Standard Time. So London changed times this week, so it's a little bit different for all of us as far as when the London markets opened. Hopefully, it didn't get messed up with that yesterday. I forgot to announce that. So, traders' commentary is trade what's in front of you, trade your trade plan, make sure you let price come to you, and don't chase price. If you miss the move, there's another one right around the corner. There's 42 currency pairs we can choose from, traders, so there's plenty of opportunities out there. All right, so we're going to take a look at some 60-minute Forex charts. Again, 60-minute Forex charts. And as usual, we're going to start off with the euro dollar. I like this euro dollar. This is a 5-touch trend line. And basically what I want to happen here is I want it to break below it. I'm bearish in this pair. If you look at this spatially, you can see that this is a bearish pair. The daily is bearish, so I'm just looking for this to break down to the downside and give me a nice entry at about 1.0795. The 200 exponential moving average is an issue here. As price, we have like 5 hours, 4.5 hours before the London Open, and we're looking at a situation where this might glue to that 200 and just head sideways till the London Open, and then eventually come and give us our trade entry. So this is going to be one where we're going to just have to wait, sit on our hands. I'm glad that the bottom Bollinger Band looks like it's starting to open, and that's a good thing. So the euro, we want to short it below the trend line, bearish candlestick formation, and let's take it down. And you can always get a retest if you missed the first entry. The euro is very nice about giving you a second chance. Let's come over to the pound dollar. The pound dollar, a little tricky today, but if you look at it spatially, it's definitely in a downtrend. So we basically have a trend line. It's a 4-touch trend line. And we want this to break the trend line, close below it, and we'll take it about 1.4791. And we'll just take this down to our take profit at 1.4740. And the pound does not like giving us pullbacks. So if I get a break and a close below the trend line, I would probably just take the trade and not wait for the pullback. You're not guaranteed to get one with the pound pairs. Pound doesn't like giving pullbacks. I don't know why. It just doesn't like it. So this is a really nice trade also. Hopefully it stays with the trend and we get a nice down day today, and hopefully it starts early. All right, going over to our next pair, which is the Aussie dollar. This is a nice trade, folks, and unfortunately the slide, I can only get so much in the slide, but this is a really nice trade. We want to see this pull back, that 23.6% Fibonacci level at 76.40, or we can take it at 76.94, depending on where this heads to, but we'd like to see this pull back, and then we want to sell this. So what's the worst case scenario? The worst case scenario is that this is going to break support here, and it's just going to continue down. If that happens, you know what? And it breaks 0.7616, just take it back down. And just realize at 7,600 you're going to get a bounce. But if you open this chart up on your platform, you'll see that there's a wide open space here, and this is clear to go down. So if this doesn't give us a pullback, we still have a trade if it breaks support here. And this is we still have opportunity here. But I would like to see like 2 blue candles, which is 2 hours, and then the London Open give us a nice red bearish candle in the second hour. I'll enter the trade. So, and then leave it there for the day. But these Bollinger Bands have got to open. Look at these Bollinger Bands. They are closed very tight. All right, let's take a look at the Euro Aussie. This is another pair that's really, I haven't labeled it change of trend yet, but it's sure getting pretty close. It's at a minor resistance level now. So I want this to pull back to the 618 at 41.28, and I'd like to take this up. So what if that doesn't happen and it just breaks the 41.80 area? Don't worry about it. Take the trade to the upside. Our profit is the 161.8 Fibonacci level at 42.57, and that's it. I mean, don't worry about it. So So if we don't get the pullback, we still have a trade. Because we have so much room in this. We have a lot of pips and a lot of room. So this, again, looks like a really nice trade setup today. Let's go over to a pair that's not too pretty, and that's our Euro-Yen. This is a 70 pip range, and this is just nasty and ugly. If you look left of the chart, there's a lot of junk left of the chart. This is not a wide open space. The Bollinger Bands on the bottom is closed. So what are we looking for? We're looking for basically a range breakout. Or come to the top of the range and we want to sell this, right? We want to sell resistance and buy at support. Those are basics, and that's what we want to follow. I prefer to sell this than buy it. But if it comes back to support and gives me the opportunity to buy it, I'll buy it. The problem is, what's in the middle of the range? The 200 exponential moving average at 129.99. And that is going to interfere with us. So I'd rather see a range breakout than trade the range, is what I'm saying. So I'd rather see a range breakout than trading the range. All right, let's look at the New Zealand dollar. Really nice, it's moved nicely this last 2 days. Our trade plan yesterday was very successful. This is another one where we're looking for just a little bit of a pullback here to the 618. And that's at that 0.7515. And we're going to take it down to the 0.7429. That's a lot of pips, folks. So what happens if this breaks this 74.86 area? Don't worry about it. Just if you get a bearish candlestick that breaks this support area and holds, and your next candle is bearish, enter the trade, take it down. So the pullback, we want to see the pullback, but if we don't get it, we still have a trading opportunities, and hopefully by the London Open, these Bollinger Bands will be open and we'll be ready to go. Nice trade plan on this New Zealand dollar. I'm pretty sure it's going to stay in bearish mode because the dollar is very strong. And the data for the New Zealand is already out, so we should be okay. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I want to thank you for joining me for the Market Opening Preview Series, March 31st, the end of our trading month in the year of 2015. Traders, have a great trading day, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand with white sandy beaches. We'll catch you tomorrow before the London Open. Take care, traders, and always remember to trade smart and not hard. Okay, take care now. Bye-bye.